intake, man. Damn, that road is ass. Oh my god. Or did that nigga just put on his signal? That shit insane. Listen to this, Chad. YouTube, what's good with y'all, man? We are back with another video. Today, man, we got y'all boys with a little chill POV. I don't know why it's so dark out, but I kind of fuck with it. Y'all could probably see the ambient lighting more and shit. Quick pull. Oh my god. But right now I'm finna pull up on my boys, man. Right now they at the shop. My boy D getting something done to his car. And I think Christian just chilling. So I'm gonna just pull up on them boys real quick. A little quick POV drive. I'm kind of hungry, so I brought a little snack with me, you feel me? If you Jamaican, you know exactly what this is. You could tell me this is a fire snack. But hey man, if y'all boys new to the channel, drop a like, comment, subscribe. We're on the way to 2K subs right now. We are very, very close to that. I am currently like 10 minutes away, as y'all can see. I ain't never seen that color either. Don't take it, bro. Don't take it, bro. Don't take it, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Niggas are insane nowadays. Yo, why do people just pull out in front of people without, like, stop doing that. Like, look at this nigga, he's in 2 lanes, god damn it. What's up with him, bro? Why was that nigga in 2 lanes? He is tweaking out. Yo, something is up with this truck, chat. I don't know why this nigga keep moving up. Oh, it's another 340 right here. What the fuck? I hope this shit don't take me on the highways. Look at the handling, man. Oh my god. Lovely. And them shifts. Oh, it won't. It's not taking me on the highway. Thought I had some highway action for y'all boys. But the GPS had other plans. Yo, I need to do some rollers on the highway, man. That intake, man. That shit sound good as shit, boy. Now I know what it feels like. Why everybody clumped up over here, bro? It's like 3 lanes. And now he over there too. We cruising, chat. Oh my God. I gotta get over there, my boy. What could all go so right, man? I'm driving good and I'm recording? That don't make no sense. That don't make no sense. Right now we are currently 3 minutes away. Okay. That should sound good. What is that? Just listen to the sounds, man. I don't even gotta talk. Oh my Lord. Don't fuck up my lip, gang. Don't fuck up my lip. Don't fuck up my lip. Thank you. Oh my God. Damn, that road is ass. Oh my God. That sound insane. What the fuck, nigga? You just put... Am I dumb? Or did that nigga just put on his signal? Spin that shit. You want? Oh my God. We are finally here, chat. Feel what I'm saying? I think it's gonna get active. Oh my God, chat. That boy D got the carbon trunk going on, chat. Oh my god. That nigga D shit loud as hell. Chain check. Yeah, man, I'm headed back to the crib right now, as y'all can see. Oh my god. Let me put my lights on. Look at that boy D shit, chat. Madness. Yeah. Bro, that carbon shit hit different, bro.
Bro, that shit fire.
That shit fire. I know you just sitting there driving, just looking at the hood like.
It was so crazy, like being on the road, like everything glaring off that door.
Fact. Listen to that intake. Oh my god. That intake sounds so devious, man. Yeah, man, chat, we on the way to the crib right now, as y'all boys can see. I know it's just a little POV drive, nothing crazy, but I hope y'all boys enjoy the vlog, man. Feel what I'm saying? Oh my god. Is this a bridge coming up? Oh my. Oh my. That shit insane. That shit is fucking nuts, chat. I'm not gonna lie to you. Listen to those Burbles, bro. They sound like laser guns. I don't know if y'all can hear that shit though. Little highway POV for y'all boys. What is this? A little 440? Oh my god. Woo! That's like a 320, but that shit fire. my God. I hear that boy over there making sounds. I had to, feel me? I gotta let him know it's B58, nigga. Wait, I hear another one up here. Who that is? I'm on a hunt, nigga. Listen to this, chat. Oh. And the downshifts, you can still hear the intake. That's crazy. Right under the chat. Yo, this is my second time doing a night POV in a row. Oh my God. Told y'all boys them night POVs was coming, man. Telling y'all, I'm out here getting versatile with the content, man. Feel what I'm saying? Oh shit. Am I tweaking or did y'all see how fast that fucking light changed? I'm about to change the lights right now. I'm about to put that shit on red. You gotta connect first. Oh my God. If y'all boys enjoyed the vlog, man, drop a like, comment, subscribe. Look out for more POVs, man. I'm staying consistent now. This that consistent reap, man. You see the ambient, you see the stars, you see everything, bro. I'm getting this for y'all. I'm getting this for y'all niggas. When I'm in an M5 comp, everybody that's here watching this video right now, I don't even know what to say, bro. I love y'all boys, man. Downshift. Let me give y'all boys a little pull real quick.